Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install and use Microsoft PC Manager in Windows 11. So firstly you need to visit this website pcmanager.microsoft.com. Simple and none. And here guys, just you have to click on download for free. Here you can see the features: one-click acceleration, clean up system, fragments, free up occupied resources, and make your Windows as fast as new. And system space management, comprehensive medical examination, professional virus killing. So these are useful features for this PC Manager software. Once you download, double click on the setup file. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Check this box and install. Now guys, once installation complete, click on launch now. Now here guys, in this right side corner, you will see this PC Manager. Here you can just boost in just one click. Click on boost. And wait for a few seconds. As we can see, boosting process is running. And here the option health check. In for issues, scanning key system malware, scanning for other malware, scanning for startup programs. Here is storage management. You can deep clean, perform a full cleanup scan, manage larger files, manage apps. You can check here processor management and startup apps. Disable startup apps to speed up boost process. So this is a very useful application for Windows 11. Here is the security option and here is the cleanup option. You can boost in just one click. So thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel.